In the Settings Integrations menu, here you'll find a list of all of the native integrations that Katana has built. And in addition to that, you will see third-party integrations, which we also have supported using different types of connections, such as cloud connectors similar to Integromat, or also connections that were built out via Zapier. Katana supports Zapier workflows, as well as other cloud-connected workflows that come from Integromat, Cart Rover, and I believe we had one more called Sync Hub. These are the main cloud connectors that we have today. Of course, that list will grow after this video as well to include additional ones. And we also have a few outside applications that have integrations that were built into us. And you can see all of the information here related to the different integrations which we are presently supporting. And there is another place on our website where you can find additional information about other integrations. I will show you here real fast. That should be on our Katana MRP account. katanamrp.com/integrations. And here you'll see the full list of integrations that we support across the different types of integration categories. These will include primarily e-commerce accounting. We have the two native ones for e-commerce, which is Shopify and WooCommerce. And we have two native accounting integrations, which Katana built, which is QuickBooks and Xero. And we'll cover the native integrations at a later time further into the video series. But a few of those also would include automation, which of course I had mentioned. These are the cloud connecting services. And if you're not too familiar with cloud connecting services, they are very, very handy if a customer does not have if a customer does not see a native integration with Katana. There is a good chance that they can plug into one of these systems and then cloud connect them through that service, allowing them to fulfill workflows through that medium, especially if they are no-code type of non-tech related people. We've got the CRM integrations, which are third-party integrations, quite possibly also built out through these cloud connectors. We will have some more native ones here in the future. Additional e-commerce and also reporting. And these reporting apps are very, very powerful, especially for customers that are looking for ways to track how their sales are doing, or if they need to kind of define what their minimum order quantities are on the reorder points of the materials and products that they make and buy. Very, very handy for that purpose. So keep an eye on this page if you are looking more at the integration side of things, and you will find quite a lot of information there. And that pretty much covers it from the integration side.